Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. I don't know why I'm dancing and making faces. I don't know. I'm just dancing and making faces, baby. I'm just in a happy mood.
Can't believe that a girl got you cruising. Close the door when you leave the house.
As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be all about summer shades. Whoop, 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 whoop. Summer colors, summer shades. I'm really into summer this time. Maybe it has just been such a long winter, but I'm really into summer. And one thing I love in the summertime is my shades because apart from the harm that UV ray from that sun can cause you, shades are pretty cute to dress up outfit or dress down outfit or just make it look like you have a bomb ass face makeup on when you really don't. Me personally, I cannot see in the bright sunlight. I feel like when it's too bright outside, I'm blind. I even get wrinkles in here because I scrunch my eyes like this so much. You can see them now when it's bright outside. So I always have to have my shade. And I don't go out and just buy shades all the times. Every summer, I just have my shades that I've had from a long time ago. And every summer, I pull them out. And to me, it's not about what's wearing. It's what's cute with my outfit and fit me when I think about shades. I love shades, but I really don't spend a lot of money on shades. I'll grab a shade, a fancy shade from a fashion site for $2, $3, from Amazon for $4, $5. Although I have a few designer shades that I've accumulated over the years, but those are not my top priority when it comes to shades, to be honest with you. I like big fancy shades, and a lot of people don't know that about me, but I kind of have a little collection of glasses going. If you want to see my summer shades pick, you just keep on watching. I have a basket here in front of me with all my shades. I'm just gonna dip in, take out random shades and talk about them. And some of them are a little dusty, dirty. And the first one I took out is this MCM one. This is an MCM shade. I got this one from Nostrum Rack, and it really wasn't very spendy, but it's the original MCM. It's made in Italy, and I love this shade. The reason I love this one so much, as you can see, it has like purple frame up here and a little brownish darkish on there. I love that. And I'm gonna put it on. I think the shade looks so good on me. Let me look so fast. The reason why I love this, because I can do this with it. And a lot of times I'm wearing my wigs, I'm wearing stuff. You're outside in the sun and you have it on your face. You don't want to just take your glasses off and put on, or sometimes you don't want to hang it here because it's not appropriate to hang on your clothes. And I like that I can put this here and I can shake my head and I can carry on and it will be there and it won't move. It's not going anywhere. If it's too windy and you have like a bang or your hair is just blowing all over the place when I wear my wigs, I can just put this here to stop my hair. Even though it hide your eyeshadow if you're wearing shadow, but also it come in handy if you're not wearing eyeshadow. You can just say, hey, my brow's done, and nobody can tell what's happening in the eyes. And as you can see, look at that, it's pretty dark. You can see I'm watching you. Yep, I'm watching you behind these shades. Yes. So that's the first one I pick up. It's not that is my favorite. It could be my favorite. I think this is my favorite glasses, to be honest with you, but that's not why I pick it up first. It was just the first one on top. About caring of your shades, sometimes you buy some shades, they don't come in boxes. Even like these, these are Ray-Bans. They come in the holder. I just go on Amazon and buy the little glasses bag to put them in, because I'm telling you, I scratched so many shades, so many nice ass expensive shades I've scratched, and you don't want to do that. So always protect your shade. And I got to say that because this one, I don't know if you can tell, you can see it, but it has a scratch here. I still wear it. This one is kept in the car. As a matter of fact, I just brought this up this morning, or yesterday morning. I had it on and I accidentally brought it up. But I keep a few shades in my car, probably like 4 or 5 right now. I think my second favorite, it used to be my first favorite, but my second favorite shades is in the car, and I didn't go downstairs for it, and I don't feel like it, but I'll insert a picture of my second favorite shades. So this is the first, and I'll insert a picture of the second. But this one is not my favorite or anything, but it fits pretty good. It wears pretty good. Very reflective. I got this one on Nostrum, and it was pretty cheap. I think this was like $13, so this is not an expensive shade. This was like $13. So yeah, and I like this one. This is my everyday shades. I'm going to the gym, I'm going outside, I'm just on the road and it's too sunny. This is one I put on and I can see all my lights reflected in it. But hey, I'm showing you my shades and it's nighttime and I have lights on me and it's still not even bright enough. But yeah, I like this one. And like I said, it's scratched, so there's not much wear left in it, you know, because it's already scratched up. I'm just dipping in randomly. This one, I love this shade. I must have got this like on a Chinese website or something, and I know Gucci make one like this, but child, that one that Gucci make is like $1,200, and I'm sorry, I'll spend on expensive things like shoes and jeans and a couple tops, but I will not, and I repeat, I will not, no matter how rich I am, I will not spend $1,200 on a shade, $1,200 US in a shade. Oh my god, I will not spend $1,200 US on a shade. But anyways, this is a nice one too, and oh, I love this. Look at this. Doesn't this look good with what I'm wearing right now? It's pink, and it's pink all over. It's shaded brown with a pink, but this is also like the first one that I show you, so I guess this is one of my favorite ones too. This is real fancy. This is one of them that can stay on my head and it won't move, but it's not as tight as the MC glasses. I'm pretty sure it was more than $6. Trust me. I bought this a long time before I even know about the Gucci one. I've had this for like what, 3-4 years. You may have seen me with pictures if you follow me on social media. And hey, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DOptimist. This is one I bought on Amazon, and I think I probably paid too freaking much for this. I paid like $7, $8, $12, and after I came, I'm like, I mean, the quality of it is good. It's pink, but it's little and fancy, and I've never really worn it. I brought it on my cruise, but I really didn't wear it, because I'm telling you the truth, and when I wear glasses, I want glasses that will cover, like really take the sun off, and I feel like I can see through the top of this, I can see through the side, so it don't really cover too much. My lashes are touching on the frame. So yeah, I like it. The look is okay. It's alright, but it's I've never really dressed up in it, so I'll try and get a couple wear out of it this summer. And it's still not as tight, but it will sit on my forehead, and I like that. That's good. Some of them just too loose and they will not sit on your forehead. It has potential, but I prefer bigger lens glasses, like bigger, this part bigger, that cover my eyes, and just I can see you from behind here but you can't see me, or you know, I can be high and fry. I'm just kidding, but anyways, I prefer bigger frame glass. This one also was a cheap ass glass that I really don't remember where I got. I don't remember where I got these glasses, I'm gonna be honest, but I really like this one too. I know I wear this in Vegas, so I know I have this like a couple of years. These are the kind of glasses I like. I can either not do no brow or not do no eye makeup, and you can tell I'm just behind my glasses, and you know, they kind of look dressy and good with everything. These are the kind of glasses that I like, so I love this one. The only thing what didn't I like with this, I don't know, it was a little sharp, and oh yeah, it doesn't sit up here. Here's another one that came from a Chinese site, and this is again a few years old. I don't know if there's a brand that they were trying to knock off or what. I've never seen none. But this one, I feel like, make me seem like a drama queen. Like, I don't know. I've worn it a few times just for road. For the longest time, it was sitting in my car, and I brought it inside a couple months ago. But yeah, and remember, you don't just need sunglasses in the summertime. You need it winter and autumn. Sometimes in the winter, we think it's not sunny, but it is sunny. The sun rays can still affect your eyes. And this is probably like 3-4 years old, and I'm pretty sure I spent like $5-6 for it, but the quality is real thick and good though. It said hand polish. It has pearls on it, like nice big pearls, and they haven't come out, and I've had this for a while, so I think this is a good glass. And I think they sit up here pretty good too. It's different. I don't see a lot of people in these, because I have my own style. I'm not the kind of girl that likes something just because everybody's wearing it. If I like something, I don't say I don't like things that people are wearing. Don't get me wrong. If people are wearing it and I like it, I genuinely like it. I don't like it just for show. This glasses I bought for a video a long time ago. A long time. This glasses, oh my god, it's like 4 years old. Look at this one. I like this, but I would like this for a carnival, vacation, or something like that. So, you know, when I'm doing the most, you know, even on a cruise, like I should have brought this on the Dream Weekend cruise. And when I come out to the pool party, I just had this on. But yeah, it's doing the most. But this is a good, it's kind of like a visor sunglasses. so it covers a lot, and even your nose, so you don't have to be wearing any makeup. You just come out with your glasses on. I bought this for a video, and I wore it a couple. It's just statement, doing the most. It's not the kind of glasses you're just gonna put on just to go to the store or whatever when it's sunny. It's kind of glasses you'll for a beach, you know, it's real hot. I don't know, but I like it. I'll be attempting to wearing this. This probably wouldn't look so nice over the head. It doesn't look bad. Actually, kind of like a visor, and I put it on my head. This like, I bought. I don't remember where I bought it. Probably somewhere from a China store or something. And I'm pretty sure I wasn't spending. It wasn't more than $12 because I'm a cheap person. If I'm buying something expensive, it have to be name brand. I don't just buy everything expensive, and a lot of people think I buy everything expensive, but I really don't. I'm very cheap. Even if you have real sunglasses, they scratch off, and you have to take care of them, like good care of them. And I'll just wear sunglasses and I'll put them on the dashboard, or I'll just throw them in the glove compartment without putting them even in the pack. So I don't want the responsibility of putting out of babying too many sunglasses. So I just have a few that I babied, and those are the expensive ones. So I buy a lot of cheap sunglasses. This again is probably like 5-6 years old. I know I bought this from AliExpress when AliExpress was hot. They just came out and they were knocking off everything, and I didn't buy it as a knockoff. I wanted a glasses that that was a cat eye glasses, and I got this, and I wear this a lot, and this is one of them I wear on road trip. I carry with me on road trip because I think it's just cute. Not all sunglasses are made the same, because some sunglasses adjust to the brightness. I don't know if you guys know that or understand that some sunglasses adjust to brightness. So if it's real bright, provide shade so you can see. When it get a little darker, it kind of brighten up a little more, so you can even wear your sunglasses when it gets dark and you will still be seeing bright. I don't know if you know what I mean. And those are the more spendy ones. The cheap ones don't do that, but the more spendy ones does that. Here's another one, kind of like the pink one, and it's this one that I wore it like once or twice. It matches my silver that I'm wearing. I'm going all big today. I'm just all ratchet today, but yeah, it matches what I'm wearing now, and it's fine. I bought it on Amazon. When I bought that with this one, with this little pink one. This I haven't gotten a lot of wear, but I'm pretty sure I wore it a couple of times, and it was like $7-8 on Amazon. Then this one was probably a China one too. This is very old too. I remember this glasses. It's very old, but it's a glass you can throw on to go and run your errands and you come back. It's not too much about it. It's plastic. It's not tight enough to go over my head. Actually, it's not bad. It holds over my head, but yeah, it's alright. This is one of my latest purchase. This is probably like 6 months old. I got this on Fashion Nova. I was just, you know, Fashion Nova popped up on my Instagram across, and this glasses popped up, and it was $3. And I had a code to get free shipping and whatever, so I just bought these glasses, and it fit pretty nice, and it can sit up there to hold back my hair, and I can see out of it, and I think it's a nice little statement glasses. So I love that one. That one is from Fashion Nova, and this was like $3. Yes, $3. I got this in Glicks, and they were selling them out for like $1. 25 a pair of glasses, and they were selling it out, and I like it because people can't see your eyes at all in it, because it's kind of reflective on the outside. This one here, I think it's a Vans glass. Yep, it's a Vans glass, and this is a little shaky, so you know that's broken, but it can fit on my eye to wear. I can still wear that. It fit me, or it don't fall off, but it won't sit up here, you know. See, it won't sit up here. It probably will just stay there, you know, if I want it for a little, but as soon as I do like this, it's gonna fall off. But it's a Vans glass, and I got this in Glicks too, and it's still going strong. Ain't nothing wrong with that, so I can wear that. This one is a Neff. I don't know if you know that brand. Glicks carry that brand. It's kind of like a skateboard brand, kind of like Vans, and I got this in Glicks too, and I've had this a long time ago. All these sunglasses that I just showed you, apart from the MCM and the one I said I got from Fashion Nova, I've had them a long time. Like, when I say a long time, I mean like over 3 years. This one here is a Ray-Ban. So this is one of the more expensive one. You know, came in a nice leather case and has Ray-Ban on it right here, and it's reflective, And the thing about this glasses that I hate, oh, I know what happened. A screw fell out from here. So the screw fell out from right there. And it's real loose. But it can be worn. And it's one of them reflective ones too. So you can see my lights in it. But you can't see my eyes. But it will not sit up here properly. Because one of the screw fell out. And it's real loose. I don't know why I never wear it too much. I've worn it. And this again is another 3 years old glass. This is another Ray-Ban, and I'm pretty sure that's over $100. That's probably like $170, $180. And I got that, I'm pretty sure on Nostrum or something like that. And this is another one. I'm sure I got this from Nostrum. I remember this so good. It's another Ray-Bans. It still has the stuffs in it. It marked Ray-Ban there, and it had the Ray-Ban here and here. And yeah, I liked it when I bought it, but I don't really like it to wear so much now, because it's kind of like, first of all, it can't sit up here. It's too loose. And I didn't get nothing to tighten it. I don't know how to tighten it. I probably should bring it somewhere to tighten, but this is a really good quality glasses. And it can be worn. All of my glasses can be worn. Ain't nothing wrong with them. None of them are broken. But I just prefer bigger sunglasses. But like for these, I'll wear these. I mean, it just depending on how I'm feeling and what I'm wearing, and if I'm feeling it that day with my hair and my makeup and all that. My most recent purchase, another Ray-Ban. Purchased this for my last vacation, so about 2 months before my last vacation. So I've had this since like December, January. So this was the only glass I took on my vacation last time. So this got a lot of wear, and I really like this one. But with my boy cut, it kind of give me like a, you know, like a boyish look, like a Tracy Chapman look, you know. And I really love looking girly and feminine and sexy in my sunglasses. Yes, I love looking sexy in my sunglasses. But I love this one though, but it's not one that I'll be drawing for all the time. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And I'm pretty sure I have a couple more cheap ones in the car downstairs. My first name brand glasses was a Chanel glasses that my friend gave me. She brought it from England and gave it to me, and I do not know where that glasses is. I think I brought it to America, but can't find it, or I may have missed it from I immigrated to America. I don't know, but that was my favorite sunglass. It was an original Chanel sunglass. That time I could never think about even affording anything Chanel, although I don't have anything Chanel. But I guess if I want something Chanel, I could buy something Chanel, but I wouldn't think of buying something Chanel back then. That was my favorite sunglass, of course, because that was my first name brand. And then I had a Dolce & Gabbana. That was the shade, and I was so pissed. I teared up when a buffer scratched the lens of it. I was so pissed. And then they stole my car last year, December. It wasn't this December gone, it was the year before December. So it wasn't 2018 December, 2017 December they stole my car, and they took my sunglasses, my Dolce & Gabbana. That was my favorite ever sunglasses, that Dolce & Gabbana. So anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you saw some sunglasses that inspired you. That is not about what's wearing. You just take out your old sunglass, girl, and you rock the shit out of that. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And hey guys, I've been telling you, but turn your notification bell on, that so you know when I post a video and you get to watch the video and like. Don't forget to watch my last video where I'm talking about my Alexander McQueen, and I have giveaway in that video, and you guys don't realize that because you probably don't watch it to the end. Don't forget to watch, don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.
Close the door when you leave the house.